Okay, you guys, so I don't even care right now if I'm in my pajamas or if my nail is chipped. I'm going to unbox this new Chic Sparrow. I'm so excited. Here we go. Now this is a different camera that I'm using. It's my husband's GoPro, so I'm not even too familiar with how to use this camera, so we're just winging it. So you guys are just gonna have to bear with me, and I'm in a very awkward position. This is just a little stick thing that is, it's like a little lobster claw thing that you just attach it to something and it gets this type of view. So, okay. Oh, these boxers are so hard. Okay. Ooh. There we go. So super excited. Oh, okay. Oh, I hope it's something I really, really like. So it's got its product warranty card, and then the same sticker, Faith, Hope, and Love, which I absolutely love that sticker. Put this all the way to the very far. Yep, okay. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, wow. So this is my first experience with Cascade pockets. And it's got a definitely a variation, but hey, you know what? Doesn't matter. She's beautiful anyway. So this one is same line Austen leather collection, and similar to the Mr. Darcy and the Drummond that I got. So she is gorgeous. She's got the secretarial pocket here. She's got the 4 strands. She has the same feeling as all the other, well, I shouldn't say all the other, but the Mr. Darcy and the Drummond, they both feel like this on the inside. It's not smooth, but it's also not harsh either. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. So this is the A6 size. It is wider than the personal, shorter than the personal, so this could fit in my purse. They didn't have the option for removable pen loop, but the removable pen loop on my Drummond wasn't as bad as some people say, like people who don't want the pen loop on there, so it doesn't matter to me. Oh, no striation marks. It already has like a little scratch right here, but just like the saying goes with the Mr. Darcy leather collection, when it was named that you can look at the Mr. Darcy, not even touch it, and it scratches. But absolutely love it. So smooth. As y'all know, this is the thinner leather. The Mr. Darcy leather collection used to be a thicker leather, and this was once known as buttered rum, but it's now called EMMA. And the first part of 2021, the type of leather that was launched was a lot thinner. So apparently Chic Sparrow is going to go back to the original thicker leather, but I do like the way that the leather is malleable. I can't compare it to anything because I've never had the thicker leather. So, but and we shall see how it all pans out. So far, so good. I was thinking about getting maybe like a stalogy. I don't know yet. It's a big commitment. There's a lot of pages to cover. But anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Hopefully the lighting wasn't that bad and I may be able to edit it. And thank you for always coming back. I really, really appreciate you guys coming back and watching my videos, so, and commenting and everything else. So I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. All right, take care, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.